Assalamualaikum. Myself Santosh Sharma, student of Electronics Engineering 6th semester, International Islamic University. I have made this particular amazing project through this particular device which is on my hand. These are the little sensors, and this device will particularly interface my hand physically to the oscilloscope waveform. As soon as I shall be changing my hand vertically up and down, the waveform appearing on the oscilloscope will respond accordingly. Let's have an experiment. Wow. That's amazing. That's amazing. This was my semester project, which I thought to have a creative project through my team. My team members are Rashid Jafar, Shahid Papu, and Babu, Majid Ali, and me, and Suraj, and this project manager, Sharma. And this circuitry, the circuit is all about this. You can have the source. So this microcontroller I have interface, and you can have any questions, you can have any query about this particular device on my hand. This is a very much complicated circuitry. This is new technology, LSI technology. I have read it before my approach. And these are the little sensors. The very much complicated circuitry I cannot show on you, but I can provide you the material where you can see all the things inside this particular device.
In which laboratory you made this project?
I made this in the laboratory of International Islamic University Digital Lab. Digital Electronics Lab, and I claim that even the MIT students cannot build such kind of the project because and I request the government to commercialize this project, and the man who made the sixth sense, I even challenge him that what will be the commercial use of this project? Actually, the very much uses of this project in instrumentation and communication system. You can control the whole control system through your physical movement and gestures.
What is the technology behind these sensors?
Integrated technology, and the technology which we perceive will introduce very much, and this is the new technology, perhaps will be for the world, will be introduced by first time by the Islamians universities.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.